So good morning, everyone. On the occasion of World Heart Day, I congratulate each and everyone in the world. Today, as a theme is World Heart Day, as given by this year by World Heart Federation, is that we have to harness the importance of social media to improve, aware, and prevent the heart attacks. One of the important reason for heart attack is hypertension. So today we'll discuss about the hypertension. What is hypertension? What is blood pressure? Etc. Before going to the topic, just I want to share you that what is blood pressure? Whenever our heart beats, and each beats, it pumps some blood to our arteries. And when blood is pumped through these arteries, so on the wall of the artery, there is exertion pressures. This pressure is called the blood pressure. Normally, to function all the part of the body, we need some certain level of pressure that is called normal blood pressure. That means about 120 millimeter of mercury in the systolic and 80 millimeter mercury of the diastolic. Whenever this pressure increases, that time we call as a high blood pressure or hypertension. Major cause for hypertension is that whenever we take more salt, physical inactivity, taking more alcohol, smoking, and then sedentary lifestyle, and sometimes also other diseases also sometimes got kidney disease or other problems that also can also contributes the increasing the blood pressure. How will you understand and when should I go to checkup done? Suppose if you are an obese person, more than 35 or even sometime below that also, and your sedentary lifestyle, your sometimes you can get some symptoms of headache, some uneasiness, and while walking you'll get some dyspnea, breathlessness, and while you're sleeping, wake up in the morning, that time you'll not feel fresh. These are the few symptoms that they can get some signal that you should go to your doctor and your blood pressure should be checked. Suppose if you got checked and you got high blood pressure, you should see that is it taken that the doctors, then you have to take a decision or opinion from your doctors to take medications, or you can control that medications. How we can control the blood pressure is very simple. If you can maintain your body weight under control, your BMI should be less than 23.5, and your sugar should be normal. If you should not take more salty or sugar levels, sugary food. Salt should be very, very minimized. It should be taken at least almost a small teaspoon, or at least 3.5 to 4 grams of salt is enough for normal adults. Smoking should be totally stopped. Alcohol, if you are taking that, it should be moderation. That means it should be minimum level is okay. And now come to the sedentary lifestyle. You should, if you are just after this coronavirus or lockdown periods, most of the people they start working in the sitting job. So that is also another important factor to develop blood pressure. For that, what I'll suggest for you is that in between your job, every half an hour, 45 minutes, you should take some a small break for 5 minutes and walk for some time, and after that you should again go for your job. Physical activity, at least 45 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes every day. You need a physical activity to be done, and in any at least 5 days a week, and it should be at least minimum of walking, or if you can add some sports in your life, any type of sports except video game also, that is better. In diet, you should increase more amount of vegetables, green leafy vegetables, or some whole grains, but with limited amount of calories. That contains more fiber, and some vegetables also contains more vitamins, nutrients, and micronutrients, which is very essential for our life, and with most of the enzymes that to work our whole system. Important, another three things that I want that everyone should inculcate in their life. One is that a sport, a smile, and sleep. A sport, any sport in your life, a smile should be maximum time You should be smiling face into your mind. That also releases a lot of good hormone, or it is called happy hormone. That also controls our all system, and it's including blood pressure. And stress should be totally released, and you should try to reduce your stress by minimizing any other efforts by meditation, yoga, some other Reiki, some any type of things you can do this, that also causes your blood pressure under control. And most important, sleep. Normally, many people, they don't give any importance to this sleep pattern. They think that the sleep is not very important and is a wastage of time. But I think, and now the research also suggests that if you want to control all the things, including heart attack, blood pressure, diabetes, and many other diseases also, if you sleep for at least 8 hours a day, that will, most of the body, that also reset your sleep is the part where our reset our body and also regenerate and restore all the capacity or in the night. And after the second day, next morning, after a good night's sleep, you'll have a very good, healthy and wealthy life. So with this note, I thank you everyone, and I want to introduce myself, Dr. Subrata Mandal. I'm a cardiologist. I'm working in Ubuntu Heart Hospital, Bhopal. And any point of time, anything, this suggestion is for you to make your heart healthy and be healthy. And as our International World Heart Day, this theme is also that you should gather the information for the heart attack or blood pressure or diabetes, that anyhow it should not increase beyond the level. And then you have to circulate this message to all our friends, society, public, your loved one, etc. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving the opportunity. Thank you very much.